You might be wondering why this video starts with music instead of an amateur product review, a sales pitch, or one of those gimmicky product teardowns. Simple. Because Outlaw Country was built on truth, not polish. No gimmicks, no shortcuts. Just something real that holds up when it matters. That's exactly how we build our systems. Smooth under load, strong when demand hits, built to perform, day in, day out. Anyone can sell noise. We build heavy-duty battery backup systems that pull country strong. Bring us the best DIY battery backup system quote you've got, your strongest, most competitive offer, and watch us crush it. We'll beat it with higher quality, longer lasting, higher performance, top name brand equipment, and still deliver a price that no other dealer can touch.
Looking for power that won't let you down. DIY solar's the talk of the town. They got the juice, they got the spark, lighting up dreams when the nights get dark. Best price, best service, it's what they do. Power your life with a system that's true. No grid, no limits, just free energy. DIYsolar.com is the one for me.
We use only the finest inverters, switchgear, and batteries in our DIY battery backup systems. Our inverters are built with heavy-duty output transformers, making them far more resistant to failure caused by lightning strikes and high inrush current exposure than the high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. And because our systems are engineered around true low-frequency iron core transformer-based inverters, built on a proven American design, you never have to worry about damaging your home's appliances the way lightweight transformerless designs can. This system also includes high-quality, top-name brand EVE Energy LFP cells in its batteries. When it comes to lithium battery cells, EVE Energy is one of the most trusted names in the world. Founded in 2001, EVE has grown into a global powerhouse in advanced battery manufacturing, producing millions of high-performance lithium cells used in electric vehicles, grid storage, and renewable energy systems worldwide.
Plug into the sun, it's a golden stream, fueling your life like a solar dream. No wires, no ties, just a brighter seam. DIY solar keeps it green.